Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool model right here, and basically what this is a Sherpa blanket, and it's from the brand called Bedsure right here. So you can see this is basically what the packaging looks like, but let me actually open our product to show you guys what is actually included and what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So you can see how the product is all nicely wrapped and all compressed inside, but let's take it out first. Alright, so you can see that once we take it out, this is basically what the packaging looks like. There are other ones available for different size and different color. The one that we got right here is gray color, but they have a lot of different color options available as well. And then in terms of the size, they have it for like twin size, full size, I believe king size, and also queen size as well. If you guys do want to get one of these, you definitely want to do your own research to see which one is best for you guys. But this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up first. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So it's all nicely wrapped, but when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels really nice and very soft. They mentioned the material that they use on here is 100% polyester, but let me actually unravel this to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so let's unravel it. Alright, so you can see that's actually really big, but this is basically what it looks like on this side. If you flip it to the other side, this is basically what it looks like on this side. So basically for this blanket right here, it is a fleece blanket, but you can definitely feel that fur material on here is very soft and very nice, and the same thing for other side as well. So regardless if you guys want to use it on this side or you guys want to use it on this side, both sides works really well and definitely will keep you guys really warm. But the actual blanket is pretty big. If you can see, I can't fit in the whole entire screen. And for this product, if you guys want to wash it, you definitely can. You guys can throw this into the washer, and they mention how you should use warm water to wash it. And you basically want to tumble dry on low to actually dry it up. But I definitely love the feeling of the actual blanket itself. It feels really nice and super soft. So the one that we got right here is a twin size, but when you guys actually look at it, it's actually really big. And I feel like the twin size is perfect for your bed, but you guys can also use this in the sofa as well. If you guys just want to like relax, not only on your bed, but on your sofa as well, you definitely have the option. But I definitely love the feeling of this side right here. You definitely get that like fuzzy kind of feeling, kind of like when you guys pet a dog or something, which is pretty nice. But this is basically what the overall product looks like. So let me just throw this in the washer and dryer to wash it and clean it first, and then we'll probably try this on to show you guys what it actually looks like and describe how it feels. Alright, so we just finished washing the blanket right here. If you can see, definitely feels really nice. If you open it up all the way, this is basically what it looks like on this side. If you guys want to flip it to the other side, you definitely can as well. Alright, so if you flip it to the other side, this is basically what it looks like. So this side definitely feels a lot more fluffy or furry, if you guys like this feeling. Otherwise, you can use the other side. But let me just hop on and show you guys what it actually looks like with both sides. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like on this side. The moment I actually hop on and feel the blanket, it feels really nice. It definitely feels really warm. I definitely love the feeling of how I can put my hand right here. It definitely feels very soft and very nice. Like I mentioned how it feels like you're touching or petting like a dog or something, which is pretty cool as well. But let me actually flip it to the other side and show you guys what that side looks like as well. Alright, so when we use it on the other side, it definitely feels a lot nicer because of that fur material. I feel like it actually keeps you much warmer than the other side as well. And when you guys feel the material on this side, it definitely feels a lot more softer than the other side as well, and not as fluffy. But this is basically what it actually looks like on this side when you guys use it. But basically when you guys bring it up close, this is basically what the product looks like on this side. And if we flip it on the other side, you can see that this is basically what it looks like on this side. Definitely feels really soft. But that is basically what the product looks like when you guys set up and use it. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product, and definitely see it actually does work and actually works quite well. If you can see from the video, the overall product looks pretty amazing and actually feels pretty amazing as well. It definitely feels like a premium and luxury product when you guys actually get it. I also really like the fact of how it's reversible as well. So whether you guys want to use it on the white side or the gray side, you definitely have both options to use. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this blanket, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality fleece blanket that is made out of polyester material, or if you guys want like a reversible design blanket, like definitely give you guys that premium, luxury, soft feeling, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.